Well, I thought you might want to see my new composter. So there it is in all of its glory. I used a 55-gallon drum and 2x4s to create the frame. It's been coated with Thompson's water seal, and I used a 1/2-inch bit to bore some holes in the hardware. So it comes open like that, and you can see inside there are a couple of aluminum angles in here, 3 of them that I've put in to help stir and mix it. And I think that's going to work really well. Let's see how that works. Not too shabby. I have stapled a small piece of felt, thick felt, right in here to keep it from rubbing, and it seems to work really well. So there that is. Over here is my chicken tractor that I made about a week or 2 ago, and our new chickens and everything going on in there. There's the water system that I put together, the 5-gallon bucket, and the drippers. You can see the drippers down under there. Let's see on this side. Yeah, there they are. And they just tap on them. I like to use that. And the door opens like that. This kind of gets out of the way. And there's Madeline, the tiniest one, and Ruby, the Rhode Island Red. Hi, Ruby. And here is Buffy. She's a Buff Orpington. And there's Molly. Molly's a Plymouth Rock. And let's see. To show you back in here, here's the ladder going up to, now you can't see it for the lights in the way, but the nest box is in there. And there, let's see. Oh, there's Matilda. Matilda is a Danish brown leghorn, and she's got a neat color as well. So I'll move their feeder back and zoom out. So they seem to be enjoying their tractor really well, and it allows me to move it around the yard. If I come back over here, I can show you the egg door, and that just opens up like that, and it's been made out of the nest box been made out of a 5-gallon bucket. So it should do the trick. There's the roost bars. I'm looking at the ladder going up and through there. So it's been a fun project. I've enjoyed it quite a bit. So we're going to be doing some more, putting in some raised beds hopefully soon. Hope you enjoyed watching.